Hi guys, it's me, Tech Jake, and today we're checking out the Lexmark CX625ade laser multifunction printer, color. Now, if you're in the market for a printer that can handle serious office workloads, color prints, scanning, copying, and even faxing, this device might just be worth a look. And of course, if you want to pick one up, check out the link in the description below. Alright, first impressions. Out of the box, the CX625ade feels solid. This is a professional-grade printer, and Lexmark definitely makes that clear. It has that heavy, industrial feel that tells you it's built to last. The design is clean, modern, and functional, nothing flashy, but definitely office-appropriate. The front-facing color touchscreen makes navigating menus intuitive and simple, which is always a win when you're dealing with multifunction printers. Now, let's talk printing performance. This is a color laser printer, so you're going to get crisp, vibrant prints. Text is sharp, colors are well saturated, and it handles large documents without slowing down. The CX625ade prints at up to 28 pages per minute, so for medium to large offices, it keeps up with busy workflows. Duplex printing is standard, which is great for saving paper and reducing overall costs. And Lexmark's image quality is consistently good, especially for presentations and marketing materials where color accuracy matters. One thing I like about the CX625ade is its versatility. It's not just a printer, it's a full multifunction device. You've got scanning, copying, and even faxing built in. The scanner is pretty fast and produces clear, legible scans. You can scan directly to email, USB, network folders, or even cloud services if your office is fully digital. Copying is straightforward, and you can adjust quality, number of copies, and other settings right from the touchscreen. Connectivity options are another area where Lexmark does well. You've got USB, Ethernet, and even wireless printing, which makes it easy to set up in almost any office environment. Mobile printing is supported too, so if you want to print directly from your phone or tablet, you can do it with apps like Lexmark Mobile Print or through standard AirPrint and Google Cloud Print options. For busy offices where multiple devices need access, this makes a huge difference. Let's talk cost and efficiency. This printer uses high-yield cartridges, which means less frequent replacements and lower cost per page. Lexmark provides detailed estimates on page yield, so you can budget accordingly. Toner management is straightforward, and the printer itself can handle large trays of paper, so you're not constantly refilling during heavy print days. From a security standpoint, Lexmark has built-in features that are essential for modern offices. There's support for secure printing, user authentication, and network security protocols. This is especially important if you're handling sensitive documents and don't want them sitting unprotected in the output tray. Now, one thing to note is the size. This is a solid, medium to large office printer. If you're looking for a compact home printer, this might be overkill. But for a small to medium business or even a home office that prints frequently, it's perfectly sized. It balances performance, capacity, and durability. The user experience is another highlight. Lexmark has refined their software interface over the years. The touchscreen is responsive, menus are logically organized, and customizing settings is straightforward. Plus, Lexmark offers a range of printer management tools, which can help IT admins monitor usage, toner levels, and even diagnose issues remotely. So, who is this printer really for? If you're a business that needs reliable, high-quality color printing without sacrificing multifunction capabilities, the Lexmark CX625ade is a solid choice. It's durable, efficient, and has the connectivity and security features modern offices require. Even if you're a power user at home who prints a lot of documents or creative materials, this printer has you covered. Of course, nothing is